Hi, folks. It's Marv with Get Set Up. Number one tip, show your face. Show your face. It energizes the whole class. They love to see smiles, nodding. Yes. Don't nod. No. No. Yes. And anyway, it's a lot of fun. It energizes the guides as well. So that's tip number one. And the rest of it you'll find in my orientation class. You'll learn how to navigate the new website, look on it. You'll be able to take a tour of the sidebar, how to create a Get Set Up profile, which is really, really important. The benefits of having that profile, that's especially important, and how to share a class, with your friends. That's cool. That's cool. And then how to book a class and input a code. Those are just some of the things you're going to learn in my orientation class. So, tips and tricks, come on over. Again, I'm Marv with Get Set Up. Remember, show your face. Bye.